Hey friends, welcome to Creative Nail Tips, where I'll be showing you guys how I do fun creative nail styles. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this sexy 90s inspired nail set. And guess what y'all, it's press-ons. So definitely stay tuned, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video.
Be dripping, nails be dripping, my nails be dripping, nails be dripping, stop a screenshot, nails be gleaming like a wristwatch, stay on freeze, it's ice shot, ain't too many go I got, nails be dripping.
Okay friends, so I just wanted to show you guys this nail that I designed the other day. So this is what actually inspired me to do my nail set for today, but I just wanted to have it in a different color. So the color I chose to use was the neon hot pink, which you guys saw. So I am going in and buffing the top of my press-on nails. These nail tips are from Amazon. I will try my best to link everything down in the description box below, you guys. A lot of my nail products I've had for a while, so if there are links or if they're still in stock, they will definitely be down in the description if you guys want to check out the products or even, you know, get the same thing that I had. This little nail stand that I'm using for my press-on nails, though, I got this from the Daiso store out here in Japan, so I'm not quite sure if they'll have that on, you know, Amazon, but you can use a regular nail stand. So now I'm going in with my first coat of base coat, and I am just going to apply that to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. So if you guys were wondering what nail lamp I'm using, it was super affordable. I picked it up from Amazon. This is the Sun 120 watt nail lamp, and it does an amazing job of curing my nails, and I really love it. I think it was like under $30. So now I'm moving into the polishes. I'm using these gel nail polishes. I picked these up from this store called Make Man out here in Japan, and they're really great nail polishes. And once I hit 100 subscribers, I do plan on having a giveaway. So if you guys want a chance to win some of these amazing polishes, make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel and leaving your girls some comments down below. So what you guys see me doing right now, I am just mixing these two shades together to get the perfect beige, like neutral tan type color. This is what I did when I did the first nail that I showed you guys before, so I just pretty much did the same exact thing. Now I'm taking this gel polish brush from Macart, and I'm just going to paint this entire nail. I did do a couple coats. I think I did like 3 or 4 coats of this polish, and I cured this in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. So my ring finger and my index finger, I went in with the beige. Now for my thumb, my middle, and my pinky finger, I'm going to go in with this neon pink shade. Y'all, this pink was giving me everything I needed to. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to coat the entire nail, and I'm going to cure this in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And I did use 3 coats of this pink because, as you guys can see, it is so freaking pigmented, so I did not need to go in with too many coats. But y'all, this polish, popping, okay? It is like so freaking amazing. So here I am going in with my second coat of polish of the mixture that I made of the white and the beige, while my neon pink is curing. And then once that is done, I'm going to put this back in and let this cure for 60 seconds. And I believe I mentioned earlier that I did 4 coats of both of the polish because I wanted my nail to be super sturdy. So that's why I went in with 4 coats. And also I really just wanted my polish to pop, which it did, okay, because baby, this nail set was definitely giving. So yeah, that's just what I did, you guys. And then here I am going in with my second coat of pink, and I'll catch you guys in the next part of this video. So here is my nails with 4 coats of polish on them, and they look so good. You guys, this polish that I use is so freaking amazing, and I only actually paid $1 for it. I wish there was a link, but I bought it at a Japanese store, so yeah. But one of you guys will have a chance to win some polishes by hitting that subscribe button, because once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So definitely hit the subscribe button and drop a comment down below, and you guys will have a chance to win some gel polishes. But I am going in right now and creating a V-shaped French tip for this nail, and I am using the neon pink, the same color that I used on the other nails, and I'm just going to create that V shape. And I just felt like a V-shaped French tip was just shapopping. Like, it just needed to happen on this nail because I am rocking stiletto nails, so you know it was only right that I go in with a V-tip. So that is all I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds. And I did apply 3 coats of the neon pink to my French tip just so that it could pop. So this is what the nails are giving, and I am so here for them, baby. This polish is just so amazing, and no, I did not put a top coat on them. This is just the polish just shining, okay? So now getting into the little 90s style, the 90s inspired nails. I'm just, you know, kind of just making like little tiger stripes to a sense. Like, I think that's like the best way to explain what I'm doing. I'm just doing it in like just different ways on the nails. First I went in with my black, then I cured for 60 seconds, and then I did the same thing with the white. I just went into, you know, a gap and just did the same technique with the white, what you guys see me doing right now. As you guys can see, I was flipping the nail every which way because I had to get this perfect, okay? Like, I had to. So yeah, I'm just taking this little brush and I'm getting it in, okay? I'm creating them little curves, them little swoops. You know, if you got your nails done in the early 2000s and then the 90s, baby, you know this design, okay? This was like everything. Every black mama, every woman, every Latina had this nail design on their nails back in the day, okay? Whether it was with color or if it was just with a French tip, baby. When you walked into that nail salon, and this is what you were getting, okay? So I just felt I had to do it, and baby, I did that. Like, this nail set really turned out like way better than I actually imagined, and I'm so surprised. Like, baby girl, I got skills, okay? I have these skills. And also, just a fun fact for you guys that don't know me, if you're not following me on my main channel at Kiana Talented, this is not my first time, you know, doing nails. This is just my first nail video on my new channel. I finally decided that I wanted to create a channel for creating nails. So yeah, I hope that you guys love this content, and if you guys want to see me in action, and you know, if you guys are interested in makeup content and hair content, definitely subscribe to my other channel. It will be down in the description box below. It's at Kiana Talented, and I just be having a fun old time over there. I am almost to 10K on that channel, so definitely go join the crew over there. I would love to have you. And yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. Definitely give your girl a huge thumbs up if you are. Comment down below some nail content that you guys would like to see your girl create, and I would love to create a video, and I'll also give you guys a shout out as well. So now just jumping back into what I'm doing, I'm taking my dotter tool and I am just applying dots to like the different curves of the pattern that I made. And yeah, That's like the best way that I can explain what I'm doing. I did go in with both the black and the white, as you guys can see. I'm sorry that the angle was a little bit iffy, but yeah, once I get the flow of making these videos, the angles will be perfect. Trust me. That's why it took me a while to even, you know, film nail content on my other channel, because I didn't have the angle right. But your girl was working on it. I'm getting there. This video was just definitely a start. I learned what I needed to do better. But yeah, this is what the nail looks like, y'all. It is giving. It's real cute. And let me know down below if you guys are feeling it. So now I'm taking the Top It Off matte gel top coat from Beetles, and y'all, a matte top coat on this nail set was everything. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like matte nails. I did a poll on my Instagram, and like not so many people was feeling matte nails, but matte nails is definitely slept on, okay? I feel like the matte nail sets is for the baddies. If you're a real baddie, let me know down in the comments below, because yeah, I love me a good matte set. So yeah, I just applied a matte top coat to all of the nails, and then I cured for 30 seconds in my nail lamp. So here's what the nails look like after I cured. Baby, they were everything. Now I could have left them like this, but I just felt like I needed to take a little step further and add some jewels and bedazzle this nail set just a little bit. One thing you guys will learn about me is that I love like glitter, I love glam, so it was only right that I added some, you know, little rhinestones to this nail set. So I did just add rhinestones to the pointer finger and the ring finger, and I just applied a little bit of my gel top coat to the French tip, like not the French tip, the French area of the V, and I just applied my rhinestones like that, and then I cured in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. So here is what my nail is giving, y'all. It is so cute with the rhinestones. I'm definitely happy that I added that, because it just took the nails from 100 to 1000. Like, this was definitely a look like, baby, these nails are giving. Like, baby, get into it. Like, like I did that. Definitely snizzap, okay? I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the amazing content that I come up with. Definitely remember to hit that subscribe button, and also smash the like button, period, so other people can see this video. And thanks for tuning in. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.